How to fix login error on Spotify. If you're not being able to log in to Spotify for any reason, the first thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using the Spotify app on Android, long press on it and tap the I button that says App Info. This setting will be found on any Android device. On iOS, you might want to try to offload the app. Once you're here, go to the storage usage and tap on clear cache and also clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Spotify app and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. If that's also not helping, then chances are potentially that you're entering an incorrect credential. So you want to check if your credentials are correct. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on login without password, where you can simply use your email to log in. It will send a login link to this email, and once you tap on the link, you will be logged into Spotify without entering your password as well. This is a simple way to fix some of the login errors that you're facing on Spotify. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.